positions or anything. Let us just go and work and deliver dividends to democracy to the people.
Okay, but the big prints that we've been hearing about some people not being satisfied as members of this coalition, do you think this had also addressed it?
But it has. We just came out of the meeting. You just spoke to the chairman. And that's why I decided to just add my voice to telling you that most of the, in fact, I would, without contradiction, say almost all of it has been resolved.
Distinguished, there is a new...
As a senator, I'm totally and completely committed to ADC. But obviously, as the senator representing the Federal Capital Territory, don't expect me to just take a lunch break and go and collect card. I want to do so with noise and fun. Do you accept that?
So you are satisfied with the leadership of the ADC and the coalition and the steps taken so far?
Yes. It's something that is evolving. So you cannot say while your child is still crawling that you are not happy with how he's going to run. You wait, we're growing.
Are you worried that based on the provision of the law that you might have to relinquish your seat at the Senate to be a member of a new party?
I ask you to please read the Constitution. There are two factions clear of Labour Party. The perfect definition that the Constitution gives for somebody to decamp without penalty. So you say I should stay in Labour Party. Which faction of Labour Party do you want me to stay in? There are two clear, distinct ones. Even INEC got two sets of results and candidates for, though they didn't accept any. But there's no question of that. Even the time when we didn't have two clear factions, did you see nobody's implementing it? But I do follow the law. And if there were not two distinct factions of Labour Party, I would not presume to decamp because that is unconstitutional. But they are. And this is the definition that the Constitution gave. Why will it be okay to decamp?
There's an attendance sheet that I've not looked at, but almost every state chairman is here. Almost every 37, including FCT. 37 state chairmen, including FCT, were present here. So, and the purpose is to dispel all kind of falsehood and rumors that have been going around the country that we have come to take over this party from them and to push them away. So we have invited them to this meeting to reassure them that we don't have any intention to push them away. We don't have any intention to shove them off. We are here to work with them as partners to build a strong and formidable political party. And they are assured and they are going to leave Abuja today more confident than they were yesterday that they are partners in the building of this coalition. To a clear understanding that all the state chairmen will remain in office. But where a chairman is willing to relinquish his position for whatever reason, he's free to do so. But we are not going to ask any chairman to leave his position. That is what we have agreed. There is nothing in the constitution of ADC that we have contravened. We are on a solid legal ground, and if anyone has any evidence to show that we have violated our own constitution, they are free to act on it. But we are not going to continue to follow people who all they want to do is to continue to make noise to say, oh, this is going on and that. So we don't have time for that. But if anybody has any evidence that we have violated our constitution, then they should bring it forward.